Buju, wago shindagu migizi indodem, gazaga squaji mekag, indunjaba. We don't live in two worlds. We live in one world. We don't have to code switch to make it out there. We don't have to maintain a dual consciousness. People from other cultures don't have to sacrifice theirs to enter our world, and natives don't have to sacrifice their cultures to navigate the modern world. We can be exactly who we are, exactly who the Creator wanted us to be, and thrive. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.